Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Up. And yes, I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today as we embark on exploration of one of the most serial aspect of any wedding, the wedding dress. Weaver wedding day is adly one of the most special and memorable days of your life, and it day when you meant to excite confident. This is the choice of the experiment. This in luxuries material like say and silk long riding and highest quality fabric, them you will look and feel like on your special. Remember that your wedding dress is just the starting of the full accessories completing your wedding day. It time name with you whether you dream of the final ball that Camillus Hadron sleep, siding that rest that there is perfectly with your test to help you explore and discover your perfect style. I have range of design from Ahu to glasses. It is about have it makes you feel you don't have to break to find a that confidence and beauty on of the most wonderful accept of writing dresses style in a range of size that every can find a dress that perfectly. And even if you can't find shops or simply unparalleled that every switch in details to your date beauty have. Don't forget that your wedding dress is just the beginning of your bridal accessories. Hold position in completing your wedding day with the add additional of jewelry, wish, and hairpiece. You have the power to create look that unique to you and your air personal of where are you warning to speech, be it in a rest or there is you feel like the most beautiful the world with a option and available you just for thanks the sheer variety of open and style available is outsiding that you will find the rest of your dream perfectly with the set of your special day. When it comes to wedding dress shopping, it is to keep an open mind and embrace the try on different style. By doing so you can trial best and what with you unique it can also with and the comes in This might the perfect choice for your the style, both the look and mood, ex- expelliton of on of the most serial accept of any wedding. The wedding dress, your wedding day is addly on of the most special and memorable day of your life, and it the day when you want to exact confident. This is the choice of experiment this luxuries material like say and silk along with riding and hides quality fabrics. Answer them you will look and feel like on your special. Remember that your wedding dress is just the string of field completing your wedding day. It time name with your whether you dream of the national ball dead reddit timeless charm or a modern sleep seeing that rest that there is perfectly with your best to help you explore and discover your air perfect style. Have range of design from Wahoo to classes. It is ultimately about how it makes you feel. You don't have to break to find it that confidence and beauty on of the most wonderful accept of wedding dresses is settle in a range of size that every proud can find a dress that fits perfectly. And even if you can find shop here simply unparalleled that every switch in details to your beauty. Have late not forget that your wedding dress is just the beginning of the bridal to the way it make you feel that truly matter. You don't have to break that bank to find the perfect go. The on of the will make you feel confident, beautiful, and really special on your special day. On your wedding day is one of the most wonderful aspects of wedding dress is the luxuries the offer. The come in range of size is that every pride can find a dress that first perfectly even of you confidence with you are looking the sheer variety of opinion and style available is answering that you will find the dress of your dream perfectly with and setting of your special day. When it comes to wedding dress shopping, it is to keep on open mind and Embrace the try again styles by doing so you can tryly with you best and with you air comes it and rate the bin and ready mood plus ball gown Amazon wedding dress is the air wedding day is and annually on special day in your life image the care of delicate agents you second the you move and the graceful glow of silk you like a second seconds these luxurious fabrics with feel delicate carry it most price that not only look different but feel ability to will the dresses is the star the range to the fraction of the debt returns you beauty and will your wedding reset and on of the most special perfect and supporting my video and thanks you so much for the opening my video and thanks you so much for the watching my video thanks you.